Watch the TUI 38.
Detail world, what it do? What it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. Glorious day. Hope your day started off well. If not, like I say, look in the mirror, conjure up something in your mind that will make you feel as though whatever make your day better. But today we only got 3 appointments. Like I say, schedule kind of crazy. A lot of my clients are on vacation this week. It's spring break here in Nashville. Next week, my kids got spring break. Just we got Davidson County, Williamson County, Rutherford County. They don't want all the kids out at the same time, so they let the kids, each county let the schools out periodically during that time. But we finna go ahead and get it. Weather gonna be nice there. I think it's supposed to be like 70 something degrees, but I do got on this hoodie right now because it's still like 48, 50 right now. But as the day go on, I will start pulling these clothes off. But if you haven't hit that yet, man, hit that subscribe button, man. See the channel still growing slowly, surely. I see the algorithm up and down. It's weird, man. YouTube is weird, but we gonna get to where we want to be. Even if we don't get there, I'm gonna continue to drop this content for y'all. Also, if y'all want to see the other content that used to be on the channel, it's on the Around Nashville channel. Once again, that is Around Nashville. That's me going to restaurants, the clubs, things like that around Nashville, show you what Nashville has to offer. But about to go ahead, hop in this van, get to this first appointment, knock it out, and hey, stay blessed. I'll catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first appointment already. Right now, we're about to do a interior detail on this Acura MDX, and then the exterior, just a basic cleaning, which is washing the exterior, make sure the wheels clean, windows, exterior, interior. But we'll go ahead and give you a glimpse of the interior, because that's what we're about to do first. Go ahead and knock it out as quick as possible. If you see in here, it literally got debris everywhere, so we're gonna go in here, make sure that we vacuum it real good, hit these seats, wipe these seats off. You know, just the whole 9 yards, like we always tell you. Make sure we clean cup holders and get in there, things like that. So, you know, basic clean. You see it's pretty dirty in here. I think this is one of her kids' cars, but we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. We got 2 more appointments after that. Like I said, we already got the equipment out, things like that. See, we're gonna work back here, see how I got all the debris and dirt back there. So y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, man. I'm gonna catch you at the next one. But like always, man, I would love if y'all hit that subscribe button today. We close to 1,000 subscribers, and that's a big accomplishment for me, because I've been putting the work in and everything, and I appreciate y'all, man. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know what it do. It's a glorious day, man. Sun shining. Yeah, man, but we got the car done. It's Acura MDX. Remember, we told you had to detail the interior, which we got the whole car looking immaculate and amazing. She's definitely gonna be happy with the work. You know what I mean? Like I said, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I always try to tell y'all, when you take pride in whatever you got going on, the job is not even considered a job. You're just doing you. But Finny got 2 more cars. There was just 1 car at the next stop. She just had to kind of do a husband car. I'm gonna go ahead and get it, because y'all already know how I always say, need that money with bills and everything, kids and stuff like that. Need to make all the money I can. So y'all already see the car looks amazing. I appreciate y'all, man, tuning into the channel. Once again, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Today is the day to do something. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next one, because it's about a 20-minute ride from here. So let me get in rotation. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We made it to this next appointment, which we're doing this Porsche making right now. We already did the whole car, got the exterior, the interior of the car done. We only had 1 car here, but she asked me if I can do a husband car, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out too. Not really that bad, so it's gonna be real fast. And I got 1 more appointment after this. And then, like I say, later on today, I gotta get this hair braided. So y'all already know, man. I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior. Like I said, it really wasn't that bad. I can see she having a dog in the car with her of late. She didn't used to have a dog in the car with her. It used to just her, but I assume she got a new dog. Hold on, camera showing dark. Y'all gotta excuse me. But you see the interior right now. It's came out pretty well. Wipe down everything, get a good wipe down. So definitely finna go ahead and park it in the garage, pull up the next car. Next stop probably about 20 minutes from here, so y'all already know that travel time is really the big issue when it comes to doing this. You know, I'll probably spend about an hour or 2 doing mostly driving. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Remember, I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We didn't finish this third car today, which is just Mercedes-Benz S580. Beautiful car. This gentleman used to have Lexuses. He's a Lexus guy, but I see he finally stepped up his game and got a Mercedes. Beautiful car. I love the white, but you know, Mercedes, they forever keep these keep the light interior in their cars. They always have this light interior for some reason. They just love putting light interior in cars. I love the pillows on the headrest, things like that. You see the monitor, see the wood, see all this materials on the door. But we already got the car done. I'm gonna pull it in the garage and then head to this last stop, man. But y'all already know, continue to be great, man. I'm gonna be great with y'all, man. And y'all already know, man, continue to be you, because you are you. Don't try to be anybody else, because that's where you fell at in life. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done got this last car done of the day, which is this Chevy Tahoe, and you see it got the wheels glowing, but the car is pretty dirty. I don't think I showed y'all what the car looked prior to, but we got the car looking amazing, in and out. Just a basic cleaning, maintenance clean, but you know, with the maintenance clean, it still take a lot of time, and you definitely got to put the effort in getting the car done. But y'all already see, man, we done wiped the seats off, did the windows, interior windows, exterior windows, things of that nature, door jambs. But y'all already know, man, like I always say on this channel, man, you have to love yourself, man. Self-love is everything, man. You gotta make sure that you love yourself, man, because a lot of people out here love other people, man. Love these celebrities, love these influencers more than they love themselves, man. And they end up coming up with the short end of the stick. So make sure you love yourself, man. Put that self-love in. Make sure that you know what love truly is. And like I say, if you need to reach out to a family member, or if you haven't heard somebody tell you I love you, I love you. And I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.
I was on YouTube watching TY38.